It's AumSum time!
What if there were dust storms everywhere?
No big deal. AumSum can deal with anything.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if there were dust storms everywhere, chefs will not be happy about this situation. Secondly, if there were dust storms everywhere, we might start finding desert-dwelling reptiles everywhere. Thirdly, if there were dust storms everywhere, fruit-bearing trees might get replaced with cacti. Lastly, if there were dust storms everywhere, washing our cars will not be an easy task. What if our head converts into a mobile phone?
Oh no! I just bought a new mobile phone.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our head converts into a mobile phone, constant phone ringing may cause headaches to some people. Secondly, if our head converts into a mobile phone, people will now remain busy with their own head. They may even forget to talk with each other. Thirdly, mobile phones can break easily. If our head converts into a mobile phone, now even our head may break easily. Fourthly, some mobile phone screens are extremely bright. If our head converts into a mobile phone, our own family members may start wearing sunglasses. Lastly, if our head converts into a mobile phone, constant notifications may not allow us to sleep peacefully. What if we lived with a snake?
Cool. AumSum loves snakes.
Oh, AumSum.
Firstly, snakes hiss a lot. If we lived with a snake, even we may start hissing a lot. Secondly, snakes can shed their skin. If we lived with a snake, even we may learn how to shed our skin. Thirdly, snakes slither. If we lived with a snake, even we may start slithering. Fourthly, some snakes are extremely poisonous. If we lived with a snake, some people may always stay inside a protective suit. Lastly, snakes can fit inside extremely tight places. If we lived with a snake, even we may start staying in extremely tight places.
What if our head converted into a mushroom?
Ew! AumSum hates mushrooms.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, some mushrooms have a very strong odor. If our head converted into a mushroom, now even our head will give out a very strong odor. Secondly, deers love to eat mushrooms. If our head converted into a mushroom, they may now start eating our heads. Thirdly, some mushrooms are extremely poisonous. If our head converted into a mushroom, our family members may start running away from us. Fourthly, some mushrooms are known to have medicinal properties. If our head converted into a mushroom, scientists may start experimenting on our head. Lastly, mushrooms are known to break easily. If our head converted into a mushroom, now even our head may break easily.
What if we started glowing like a firefly?
No big deal. Nobody glows like AumSum.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we started glowing like a firefly, there will be no need of candles during a candlelight dinner. Secondly, if we started glowing like a firefly, some people may even try to fly like a firefly. Thirdly, if we started glowing like a firefly, now thieves might get caught even during nighttime. Fourthly, if we started glowing like a firefly, tourists may start taking our pics. Lastly, if we started glowing like a firefly, ghosts may start running away from us.
What if we had our own twister?
No big deal. Twisters are nothing in front of AumSum.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we had our own twister, some people may not be able to control their twister. They may destroy their own house. Secondly, if we had our own twister, we may start finding people stuck in their own twisters. Thirdly, if we had our own twister, some people may ditch their cars and use their twister to go everywhere. Fourthly, if we had our own twister, thieves will start running in the opposite direction. Lastly, if we had our own twister, superheroes will be in complete awe of our newfound powers. What if we were solar powered?
No big deal. Even AumSum's solar powered.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we were solar powered, there would be no need for us to eat anymore. Chefs will be crestfallen. Secondly, no sunlight is available at night. If we were solar powered, having low battery at night will prove to be a huge problem for us. Thirdly, the North Pole has night for 6 months. If we were solar powered, we may not even be able to move much during that time. Fourthly, sun's solar flares are extremely powerful. If we were solar powered, the solar flares may overcharge us. Lastly, if we were solar powered, we may need to face the sun a lot. The sales of sunglasses might skyrocket.
What if we were as bright as the sun?
No big deal. AumSum is the brightest.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we were as bright as the sun, everyone around us may start wearing sunglasses. Secondly, if we were as bright as the sun, sometimes it may get difficult to judge whether it is a night or a day. Thirdly, if we were as bright as the sun, people may start using us for their electricity needs. Fourthly, our sun is bright as well as hot. If we were as bright as the sun, even we may get extremely hot. Lastly, if we were as bright as the sun, aliens may start worshipping us. What if our hair were 100 feet long?
No big deal. AumSum has the longest hair.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our hair were 100 feet long, delivery guys may start using their hair for easy delivery. Secondly, if our hair were 100 feet long, we may require a lot of people to comb our hair. Thirdly, if our hair were 100 feet long, our hair may occupy our entire bed. Fourthly, if our hair were 100 feet long, a salon visit may cost us a fortune. Lastly, if our hair were 100 feet long, kids may start playing with our hair. What if it rained elephants?
You are joking, right?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if it rained elephants, our homes will definitely not survive this kind of rain. Secondly, if it rained elephants, raining will now feel like an earthquake. Thirdly, if it rained elephants, we may now start seeing more elephants on streets as compared to humans. Fourthly, if it rained elephants, we may start seeing huge craters everywhere. Lastly, if it rained elephants, our cars will not survive this. We may now have to start riding an elephant. What if gold was free?
Oh no! I just bought some gold!
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if gold was free, husbands may start gifting a lot of gold jewelry to their wives. Secondly, if gold was free, some people may start wearing clothes made of gold. Thirdly, if gold was free, one may even start seeing gold bars lying near dustbins. Fourthly, if gold was free, wives may now start demanding diamonds instead of gold jewelry. Lastly, if gold was free, even aliens may come to planet Earth to get some free gold.